if n is the smallest number that can be written both as 2 a raised to the power 5 and 3 b raised to the power 2, where both a and b are natural numbers, what is the least possible value of a plus b? So what is given? N is the smallest number that can be written both ways. I can write n as 2 into some natural number raised to the power 5, and also I can write n as 3 into some natural number raised to the power 2, and I have to keep n smallest, and I have to find what is the least possible value of a plus b. So I have to keep a and b as least as possible. Okay, so from here I can see n, when I'm writing n as the in a prime factorized form. So n is 2 into a raised to the power 5 and 3 into b raised to the power 2. So I can say n will be of the form 2 raised to the power some p into 3 raised to the power some q, as I can write it as multiple of 2, and I can write it as multiple of 3. So it will be multiple of some 2 into 3. Okay, so I've taken n as 2 raised to the power p and 3 raised to the power q. Now I'm writing n as in this form. So when I take it 2 common, what is left is 2 raised to the power p minus 1 into 3 raised to the power q. Now just इन्हें देखें, अगर 2 raised to the power p minus 1 and 3 raised to the power q, in this form when it is written as a multiple of 2, this is a raised to the power 5, this is a raised to the power 5. So minimum number, if I have to keep the a minimum, what is the powers of 2 and 3? Now I have to make this expression as whole raised to the power 5. So I am taking p minus 1 as 5 and I am taking q as 5. From here I will get p as 6 and q as 5. So number what I got is 2 into 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 5, or I can write n as 2 into 3 raised to the power 5. Okay, now representing in this form, taking 3 common, when I take 3 common, what is left? 2 raised to the power p into 3 raised to the power q minus 1. And from here I can say this expression is some perfect square, some natural number. Also I have find out this p as 6 and q as 5. So this is precisely 2 raised to the power 6 into 3 raised to the power 5 minus 1, 4. So I can write it as a perfect square of 2 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 2 whole square. So from here I can say I can write b as 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 2, which is 9 into 8, 72. And from here a is, I can write a as 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. What is asked is what is the least possible value of a plus b? So a plus b becomes 6 plus 72, which is 78. So correct answer to this question is 78.